CRIJAF under Indian Council of Agricultural Research. Here we are seeing CRIJAF nail weeder. Here in a nail set of each nail 8 mm dia has been fixed behind the tool weeder to weed out composite weed flora from upland condition, and the soil must be in FC situation. And therein for varied use we have the provision of attaching tines and scraper behind it, and behind that nuts are there to fix tines like this, and nut bolts are there, and scraper can be fixed also in that fashion. So using this type of arrangement we can make line arrangement using the tine, and using scraper the established weeds can be removed, just like cypress, rotundus, like that. And now it is working in a large in jute field and many other field crops, including horticultural and floriculture and many other vegetable crops, and also in wheat and maize also, where is FC is available. So if we want to make it useful under waterlogged condition, we are again giving some we have kept the provision with this instrument to attach two rotor cones and one in the same body. Opening the wheels, we can attach two rotor wheels with the body and a boat, so that it can work under waterlogged condition, puddle soil, under transplanting condition. So this way, this CRIJAF nail weeder now can be used both under field capacity or upland condition and under waterlogged situation, and thus this instrument will be utilized by the farmer round the year wherever it is necessary. So in all, the cost will be around 2,000 rupees near that, or 2,200. And this instrument is being produced by two farms, Krishi Udyog, Howrah, and another is Creative Displays, Barakpur. So however, this rice was transplanted, and this in the age of organic farming, the use of conoider is already known. Herein we have transplanted rice much earlier, but after application of urea, mixing of mud and other things are very essential. Mixing of urea with the soil is very essential, and it is helps in weeding out of excess germinating weeds from the rice field, and not only that, it allow to escape the undesirable dissolved gas like H2S, N2O, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, methane, and so on, so that rice growth and yield is better, and this reduces the cost of weeding of the poor and marginal farmers. This is usual cones and boards of the cono weeder. In that case, other kind of rotors also can be utilized, so that it can perform under waterlogged condition.